Orlando International Airport. If you arrive from Terminal A or Terminal B and you have connection with Terminal C, you need connection with another flight in Terminal C, you need to come to security checkpoint to gate 70 to 129 right here, and you have access to Terminal C. You have a terminal link. It's a train connect you with Terminal C. In the same area, the courtyard and the hotel, you have access to Terminal C. Remember, in Terminal C, you have the Brightline Train System go to Miami, service to Fort Lauderdale, West Palm Beach, Miami, direct service. But the terminal is the Brightline station is in Terminal C. You need to come here to take this train system to connect to Terminal C and Brightline Station 2. Terminal link arriving. Connect Terminal C and Brightline Station.
Next stop, Terminal C, Parking C, and the train station. Next stop, Terminal C, Parking C.
The terminal link is now departing. Please hold on to the handrails. The next stop is Terminal C, Parking C, and the train station. Hello, this is Orlando Military Dock. Please select when you arrive at the station or stating your safety on Orlando Station. Please disallowed for departure. We're glad Orlando is a place for imagination and personality that are world-class theme parks and attractions. For a better experience, two dark stations, 40 minutes, wide and small places. There's always something to do. When you call Orlando home, or you visit Orlando has something for everyone. We hope you enjoy everything that makes Orlando.
Alright, so here. Brightline Station, see come to
Please stand clear of doors and hold on to handrails. When the terminal lifts up, please exit to Terminal C, Parking C, and the train station.
We are right to Terminal C.
The doors are now open.
Terminal link is now doors are now open.
To Terminal C. Right here. At the sign. Terminal C. Car parking garage access to. follow the blue line to Terminal C, across the parking lot. When you across the parking lot, you arrive at the Terminal C.
May I have your attention, please? For security reasons, passengers must closely control baggage and avoid transporting items without their knowledge.
In this area, you have other rental car counter. All rental car companies have a check-in counter here. This level. And you continue to the terminal, across another bridge to the terminal. So level 2 departures and level 6 arrivals. Arrival is upstairs. And check-in counters is downstairs on level 4. We go to level 4 now. This is level 4. When you come from arrivals from the level 6, come to level 4, connect you with the rental cars and Brightline and parking lot. You across the bridge here and you go to the train station, the Brightline, parking lot, rental car company, and you have connection with Terminal A and Terminal B, Orlando International Airport. You have a link train there and connect you with the Terminal A and Terminal B. Across this bridge and continue. rental-car company's counter. And you continue it to the parking lot. For pick up the cars on the level 1 downstairs. You're going down to pick up the cars. Rent a car pickup right here. We continue. You go to the Terminal A and Terminal B to Orlando International Airport or the train station, it's a Brightline Train Station. Continue to the parking lot to level C. Going down. Follow the lines. Terminal B, Terminal C, and Brightline Station. Continue to the other side to the parking lot. We continue connection with the terminal A, B, Brightline Station, and the link train. The link train connect you with the terminal A and B. That's the link train connection arriving right now. Terminal link. Terminal link connect you with terminal A and B, Orlando International Airport. In that case, you have a connection. The other terminal. Terminal link. Brightline terminal in the 5th floor. Brightline Train Station, Orlando International Airport. A beautiful terminal, train station here. The Brightline have a service to South Florida. South Florida, it's a fast train. Unique connection from Orlando International Airport to Fort Lauderdale, West Palm Beach, or Miami. There's a Brightline train station here. It's a beautiful, beautiful terminal. Ticket office here, luggage drop off. Ticket vending machine too. You can buy your ticket right here, and you have access to the train. The next train have a service to West Palm Beach, Boca Raton, Fort Lauderdale, Aventura, and Miami. 5 stop. It's a 3.5 4 hour service to South Florida. When you arrive from South Florida, the last stop here in the Orlando International Airport. You arrive to Terminal C. You have a two option. You go to Orlando, to the hotel, to the park. You take this way and go to the ground transportation. They have a separate ground transportation here. Passenger pickup, taxis, and everything. You have stairs. You have elevators too. Connect with the level 1. The level 1 you have a ground transportation. Passenger pickup here. Drop off and pick up passenger. Ground transportation. Bus, passenger pickup, ride, share and taxi.